Jeez.
My wild children, what are you doing, son? Why are you acting like you're hitting me? Stop. Oh my gosh. What do you stop? You're getting attacked by the whistling pig and a whistle. Oh my gosh. Ouch. Stop. Don't pinch.
Man. Okay.
Okay, Liz, you gonna do it too?
Yeah.
So wild children. Kayla, I know you want to be next. Yep, let's get it out of your system. So we'll replay this at 4th of July. So we won't be buying fireworks. Daddy just wants a candle. I just want to level up. Okay? Okay, Liz?
Oh, so loud. Not my ears. Not my ears.
Nice.
No, no. Not.
Oh my gosh. So bad.